And now moving on to Bengal politics. It's Prime Minister Narendra Modi versus Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over attack on BJP MP in Bengal. From Banga Bhavan in Delhi to the streets of Balurghat in Bengal, BJP has hit the ground in protest. BJP workers burnt tires and raised slogans in Balurghat demanding justice. Prime Minister Modi condemned this attack, urging the state government to prioritize relief efforts over political conflict. Prime Minister Modi criticized the ruling TMC over law and order failures. He said that this shows TMC's insensitivity. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee hit back at the Prime Minister for what she called a breach of the constitutional ethos, accusing Prime Minister Modi of making unverified allegations. Mamata Banerjee alleged that Prime Minister Modi blamed TMC and the West Bengal government outright without a shred of verified evidence, legal inquiry or administrative report.
Bengal BJP led by North Kolkata District President Tamagna Ghosh is currently showing protest at Esplanade area in Kolkata against the brutal attack on the BJP MLA Shankar Ghosh and BJP MP Khoghen Murmu yesterday in North Bengal area, while the BJP delegation team led by BJP State President and BJP MP and MLAs were visiting the flood affected area at Nagrakata in North Bengal area on Monday. The brutal attack and the BJP MP Khoghen Murmu sustained serious injury, and BJP MLA Shankar Ghosh sustained minor injury after being attacked. Both of the BJP leaders were taken to local hospital. Right now, they are admitted at a hospital in North Bengal. BJP is alleging the attack was carried out by the ruling party Trinamool Congress, and no arrests have been made so far by the Bengal police. So that is the reason why Bengal BJP is currently blocking the road and showing protest against the brutal attack on BJP delegation team in North Bengal yesterday. With camera person Lisun Lodh, this is Rajesh Shah for India Today, Kolkata.